Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, it's your Brew Santa. Not really, but hey, I'm maximizing the use of this costume since I paid for it. But yes, I'm here to tell you about the specials going on with Anvil Brewing and Blichmann Engineering. And yes, they're non-affiliate links down below. They've got a little bit of a crazy sale, and to keep you watching, we're talking brewing systems as much as 30% off. So they're gonna spread it out though. It's gonna start this Monday on the 25th and go until Cyber Monday. So Cyber Monday by, I guess, midnight or something, it'll stop. Your mileage may vary. I'm not the company, don't quote me if something changes. Just saying. So first, let's go into the doorbuster, okay? The doorbuster will be this Monday on the 25th, and it is a buy one, get one. Buy one, get one Cornical AEB Corny kegs with removable bottoms. Yeah, there's a lot to say, so I wanted to make sure I got it right. These things are a little wider on the bottom with the tri-clamp type connection, but there's a reason for it. So, you know, check your measurements on your keys or your kegerator, things like that. But you're gonna get two for the price of one, and you can buy the fermentation kit separate, so you can actually have a conical fermenter out of a keg. Super easy to clean. Some of you need that. Some of you need something to make sure it's clean. So it'll be easier for you to clean. But that's gonna be the doorbusters. That's gonna be like limited quantity. They've got a ton of them, but when they sell out, they sell out. So just a heads up on that. Now on that same day and going into Tuesday the 26th, we're gonna go Anvil Brewing, then we'll do Blichmann Engineering. So on Anvil Brewing, you've probably seen my big Anvil kettle that I bought eons ago. And that's what I bought before I ever bought an Anvil foundry. Yeah, I love the quality, so it seemed natural. Any size, you heard me, any size, 25% off with the purchase of a limited edition stainless steel burner called the Forge. Stainless steel Forge burner. You buy one of those with any size kettle and boom, 25% off. And you've seen me do this, it's been a while, but when we lose electricity, it is awesome to have a backup plan. You dump your wort, go outside, kick the propane on, and get rocking and rolling. Now on the Blichmann Engineering side, we have 40% off the Hellfire burner. You're talking big, bad burner. This is time to cook the crawfish, you know what I'm saying? So 40% off a Hellfire burner, and then 25% off Brew Commander. I know it's not plugged in and turned on, but yeah, it's one of the most advanced temperature control systems. Does have a tiny learning curve. It's not hard. You can set up profiles for, you know, your boil, your mash, pretty much everything. Nice, cool profiles. Has your 240, 240, 120. If there's a 120 version, there probably is. Actually, I know there is. I just haven't seen it. So, and you can move these so the plugs come down here and come out of the bottom. Also, 25% off is a power controller. It is just that. It is a power controller. 240, I'm assuming they have a 120. Same thing, you can run the plugs down here and you can control how much power is going to the system to allow you to control your boil or your mash or whatever you may be doing. Then on Wednesday, the 27th, and Thursday, the 28th, which is Thanksgiving, they're going to be doing on the Anvil Brewing side, 25% off the stainless steel bucket fermenters. If you've seen the apartment brewer, I'm pretty sure he's used it a few times, and some other people out there. I don't have one to show you, but very, very nice, simple fermenter, clean, super easy to clean because it's stainless. But yeah, 25% off. And then on the Blichmann Engineering side, they're doing 50% off. That's right, 50% off select fermentor, G4 fermenters, the 14 and 19 gallon versions. I know those are the big beasts, but those are for the guys who are out there or gals who are brewing the big batches. You can get yourself a nice 14 or even as big as a 19 gallon fermentor. G4, 30% off all accessories. 50% off the fermenter, 50%. And then 30% off, I say all, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure all the accessories that goes to those fermenters. So that can save you a bundle right there. Okay, I know you've been waiting for this. This is huge. Friday the 29th, yes, Black Friday. Saturday the 30th and Sunday the 1st. I don't know if they're gonna do limited quantities on these, so you might wanna get in there early, but all hell will be breaking loose at Anvil and Blichmann. I'm just hoping they have the weekend off and they'll come in on Monday and have to deal with the orders. I'm just hoping, but maybe not. They might have to be there. 30% off all Anvil Foundry brewing systems. That's right, that's the 6.5, the 10.5, and the 18-gallon systems. I already know a couple people who are going to be going after the 10.5-gallon systems, so you need to get your orders in. I've had several people reach out to me and ask me all about it, but 30% off. Now you're looking to step up to the Blichmann engineering side. You want something maybe a little fancier. You want to get your brew commander on, your Riptide pump going. Well, let's step on over there. 30% off. Yes, again, 30% off. The Brew Easy Classic and the Brew Easy Compact. Brew Easy Compact is awesome for 5-gallon batches. Now, when you go over to the Brew Easy Classic, you have sizes. Yes, you can go 7.5 gallon on top, 10 gallon on the bottom, something great to do 5-gallon batches. Or you can say, I want a 10-10 because I want to kick it up around 6+ gallon batches. And you can just keep going. You can just scale to whatever you're looking for. 30% off. That's right. That's the 5 all the way up to the 20-gallon version. Huge recommendation there is if you can do 240, if you can do 240 volt, get the Boilermaker Surface. You won't regret it. The Boilermaker Surface is going to make life really easy when it comes to cleaning. And if you're using any kind of additional third-party chiller, like an immersion chiller, there's no, even though the coil goes around inside of the Blichmann systems, there's nothing in there. You've got all that extra space because your heaters are on the bottom. That's just something I'm going to tell you, it makes cleaning a breeze. But if you're looking to get a Brew Easy Compact or a Brew Easy Classic, step up to the Boilermaker. It's a little bit more money. I promise you won't regret it. That is definitely the way to go if you're going to go that way. If you want the burner because you're going to be changing out, doing all kinds of crazy things, and you're DIY, do it yourself, then you do what you do you. So now Cyber Monday. Okay, that 3 days, everybody at Anvil and Blichmann are exhausted. They got to bring it down a notch, but this is going to help you finish off your beer. Yeah, it's going to help you finish off your beer. On Monday, Cyber Monday, that is December 2nd, trying to keep the days straight in my head, Anvil Brewing and Blichmann Engineering are going to be running the same sale. Time to bottle the brew with a Blichmann beer gun and a /bottle filler and bottle cap bundle for 25% off. So you can fill the bottle, cap the bottle, 25% off the bundle. Hopefully that helps save you a few bucks and helps to really kind of stretch your dollar massively. I will put out there that anybody looking for the Brewzilla, I know it's not an Anvil product, that's not on sale. You might want to really strongly consider an Anvil Foundry. Trust me, 30% off. That is an amazing deal for a double-walled 120, 240 switchable system. Yeah, just an amazing deal. Appreciate you. Have a great holiday. And let me know in the comments, maybe afterwards, before I kill the video after the holidays, what you got, or if you took advantage of any of these deals. I would definitely like to know that. So appreciate you. Cheers. Stay safe. Happy holidays.